Hello friends, today is 7th March 2025 and today daily law is keep the mind moving. In this chapter or in this law, the author says when we were children, our minds never stopped. We were open to new experiences and absorbed as much of them as possible. We learned faster because the world around us excited us. When we felt frustrated or upset, we would find some creative way to get what we wanted and then quickly forget the problem as something new crossed our path. Our minds were always moving and they are always excited and curious, and they are always excited and curious. The Greek thinker Aristotle thought the life was defined by movement. What does not move is dead. What has speed and mobility has more possibilities, more life. We all start off with a mobile mind, but as we get older, the mind gets more and more immobile. You may think that what you would like to recapture from your youth is your looks, your physical fitness, your simple pleasures. But what you really need is the fluidity of mind you once possessed. Whenever you find your thoughts revolving around a particular subject or idea, an obsession or resentment, force them past it, distract yourself with something else. Distract yourself with something else like a child. Find something new to be absorbed by. Find something new to be absorbed by. Something worthy of concentrated attention. Do not waste time on things you cannot change or influence. Do not waste time on things you cannot change or influence. Just keep moving. Daily law. Respond to the moment. Thought to thought. Task to task. Topic to topic. Let the mind be fluid. This law is taken from his book, The 33 Strategies of War. War strategy 2. Do not fight. The last war. The guerrilla war of the mind strategy. Thank you.